So this time around makakasama natin ang operations manager ng Pretty Huge, si Mr. Michael Vicencio, upang alamin natin itong Pretty Huge sports facility dito sa Taguig, and of course the partnership between the venue and of course yung ating Donny Geisler Taekwondo for the ongoing Pretty Huge Taekwondo Cup. Sir Michael, welcome to the program.
Well, thank you very much for coming here over sa Pretty Huge and then to the second Pretty Huge Taekwondo Cup.
Para sa impormasyon ng ating mga viewers and listeners, ano ba itong Pretty Huge? Dati ito, it was a obstacle sports facility. Yes. Pero nung lumawak pa itong sporting facility na ito, nawala yung obstacles, ngayon it is catered also sa iba't ibang sports. Kita mo naman, may basketball court pa, may pilates pa, may mga iba't ibang mga fitness equipment. So yung mga exact details about dito sa ating Pretty Huge venue.
Well, during pandemic, obstacle pa, sunod kinonvert namin to a basketball court. Not only a basketball court, multi-purpose siya. So, like what you're doing right now, pwede siyang venue ng mga sports fest.
Yung mga indoor sports.
Yeah, pwede siyang volleyball, basketball, badminton. And then we're catering also to a lot of mga kumpanya na malapit dito for their sports fest, tsaka liga. We're having our own leagues as well.
And bukod pa rito, meron pa kayong indoor track.
Yes, we have a 100-meter running track doon sa mezzanine area.
At bukod pa rito, meron kayong mga iba pang mga amenities like yung cafe.
Yeah, we have kumpleto na rin. Like we have the cafe, we have a studio, we have our own Reform. Reform is one of our recovery area na nagki-cater kami for physical therapies as well.
And this is actually accessible itong Pretty Huge dahil nandito tayo sa Bonifacio Global City. So kung naka-reside ka o malapit ka man sa BGC, baka pwede nating subukan na pumunta dyan sa Pretty Huge, lalo na it is very accessible at tabi pa ng isang kilalang mall, SM Ora Primer, sir.
Yes, malapit lang. So walang problema sa parking. Everything is like accessible. Meron kang, if you want to buy like food and drinks, doon din sa SM meron. We're open from 6 o'clock in the morning until 11 in the evening. So yeah, we cater for different communities also. We have running communities. We have
the fitness community, CrossFit, at mga gym, basketball, at iba pa mga sports na pwede pangangailangan. Or even the national athletes could try also their facilities like yung ating gym na nandito eh.
When we opened on June 1 of 2021, we had Heidelin Diaz who came here as well.
Heidelin Diaz, our Tokyo Olympics gold medalist sa weightlifting.
Yeah, ang membership namin is very affordable. It's around 2,500 lang per month.
Oo, so mukhang convenient naman yung ating mga rates na pwede pasukin. Per month ba ito?
Yes, it's per month. We do have per month basis. Otherwise, if you want to join in as a full year
or annual,
yes, pwede rin. Then we can give you certain discounts.
Okay. Okay, with regards ka dito sa partnership with the DG Taekwondo, this is the second edition ng ating Pretty Huge Taekwondo Cup na ongoing. Tell us about yung partnership ninyo with Donny Geisler Taekwondo. Lalo na, meron din kayong mga classes ng Taekwondo dito sa mismong lugar na ito.
So when we start siguro around 2 years ago, we start partnering with Sir Donny and Miss Jen just to have classes. And then last year, they pitched nga na why don't we do a Pretty Huge Cup for Taekwondo? Sabi ko, why not? The first year was successful and then definitely I said, okay, let's do another one this year. So ito na nga yun.
And this is actually beneficial dahil hindi lang Donny Geisler Taekwondo na nasa Pretty Huge ang mga sumali. There's also invited clubs from different parts of the country. And Pretty Huge is very supportive sa mga ginagawa nga ng ating Donny Geisler Taekwondo Cup. Masasabi natin beneficial yung mutual partnership between them and of course si Pretty Huge, sir?
Yeah. Oo naman. Well, it's beneficial for us because we want to cater to to different communities. So like I said earlier, may basketball, CrossFit, volleyball, running. So now we cater for Taekwondo, especially for the kids.
Okay, so what's the future plans? Oy, by the way, meron din pala kids classes for other sports dito sa Pretty Huge.
We're offering basketball clinic for kids. We have ninja class, Ninja Kids, which is the OCR naman.
Ayan yung ating OCR facility sa likod. And then what else?
So yeah, then we have Tumble. Tumble is one of our parang gymnastics for kids.
Oo.
We have Krav Maga, and then yeah, Taekwondo.
And yung tumbling, baka sa mga susunod, baka mga future Carlos Yulo na makita natin. Lalo na,
Why not? Gymnast, yes.
dahil alam naman natin yung impact ni Carlos Yulo sa gymnastics sa ngayon. So any future plans para dito sa Pretty Huge? Are you considering more partnerships with different sports? Like, kung pwede, kung bagay itong basketball court, baka pwedeng tayuan man lang ng pickleball court at iba pa mga
Marami. So
futsal court at iba pa.
yeah, we do have a futsal. It's a multi-purpose sport. So may futsal kami, meron kaming pickleball. So yeah, there's a lot of plans. Pretty Huge is, what we would like to put Pretty Huge is to have a versatile and flexible offerings to anyone so we can cater to a lot of things talaga.
Okay, so bilang pagtatapos, imbitahan nyo mga nakikinig at mga nanonood sa Sports Corner PH na bumisita po sa Pretty Huge dyan po sa Taguig. Open na ito 6 to 11 ang mismong facility at daming parking slots doon. So please, ang inyong imbitasyon at pasasalamat.
Yeah, I would like to invite everyone to come over here at Pretty Huge. Like he said, it's open from 6 to 11. Our membership is very affordable. So yeah, I hope you welcome you and thank you for coming here at the second Pretty Huge Cup for Taekwondo.
And this is the first time po na bumisita dito sa ganitong facility, sports facility. At sana maging alimbawa na rin sa iba pang mga lugar na magkaroon man lang ng indoor sports facility na catered sa lahat ng sports. Pero ito pa lang ang unang branch, no?
Yes.
Are you considering also na magtayuan din ng panibagong branch sa ibang lugar?
Definitely in the near future.
Oo, abangan natin yan. And of course, yung ilang mga announcements will be posted on our Facebook page, Sports Corner PH, maya-maya po lamang. Again, Michael, it's a pleasure to have you on our program. And again, congratulations sa ganitong facility. And good luck sa ating partnership sa inyo with Togli Geisler. Thank you.
Thank you.